Okay, good morning. It is Friday, April 29th. After that big, ugly, well, maybe it wasn't ugly, but it was definitely something to be impressed about yesterday's 300-point move. I see by the end of the day 25. Okay, way up here. I don't know why, but I see it long till 25, just so a lot of people aren't probably freaked out over the day. But saying that, can we see we're right on the edge here, and I want to see it come back up to 25, which is kind of like on this edge here, this kind of section. Um, is it going to want to come down to here first? Which is a really good question, which will reclaim that whole move. I think that it may not want to do that. I think it might want to go up. So, again, we're going to use the uncomfortable theory. You should feel the most uncomfortable when you're entering. I know that some people might think that that's poppycock, but it's that's up to you to think that, right? So I'm actually going to really want to think about it when it gets to here. Um, let's just see if it, and then we're going to really, when it bulks out, see? Now if it tests this and goes, then we've got it. Buy market. 4 lots. Shit, I missed it. Shit, missed it. I missed it. Missed it. So now we'll see if we have a, shit, I missed that. We're going to wait and see what we have for a VWAP here. See this one, this is the real time, right? So it's above VWAP on this one, so we're not going to use that. I'm going to wait. Shit. Now I feel like I have a little FOMO, but at the same time, it's going to want to push through that VWAP to catch that move, right? We want to do a buy. Kind of waiting on it, right? It's kind of fucking me around here. See? Now you're chasing. Take it on the long. Take it on the long. We're gonna potentially try not to like freak out on this one. Maybe want to push, and then it'll be yeah. Fuck me. I missed that move. That sucks. Um, so we should see some chop here, and then we want to see a push up to the 63, give or take. So there's our little push. We don't need to freak out though. Like that's the thing. I think a lot of guys freak out. Now my charts are a little bit so 50, 42.50. 42.50 is our exact entry. So we could almost set a 49.50, take a 2-tick stop. 49.5 just to, it's a $100 loss here with the 4 lots, right? Now you should probably take some off here just to get paid, right? Like I'm going to take one off here to get paid a little. Yeah, partially closing that. Now we're at a break even. So no, we're not at a break even. We're at a little bit below $100 loss, right? So we want to be right at a break even. See, we would have got pooched there. Uh, there's our stop out. It was actually a little delayed there. So anyway, that was the quick shove that we were looking for there. Hopefully we got some profit there. Should just taken more off. Again, this trying to hold for longer isn't really the best plan in this case scenario. Like you should just get the money and go. Because look at now you could reload. Like that's the thing about the. It's not like I use the word lazy, but it's about having a battle for them. Like so you have to make the decision again. So it's a mental laziness. It's not laziness like you think, right? It's laziness that you're like, oh, and then you're boom, you gotta move, move, move. You gotta do these precision things, right? My fucking chart is stalling again today. So that first one lot was $175, and then we stopped out for 37.50 of a loss. So I guess not bad, but I mean not great. Could have taken, should have taken, blah blah blah. For some reason, I always say you should probably stay out of this first bit of range, and then it's like, yeah, but it's so tempting. And look at all these wicks, man. This is a brutal. That's a brutal indecision point, right? Well, we'll see if my ultimate thesis is right, is going up, but I don't know, maybe this could be the shakeout. So super indecision now. Like we went up, we came back, and now it's just like buzzing like a bee in here, and it's really chopping. This is a tight little range. We could put some marks on that, but I mean, whoa, look at it, right? Like it's pretty tough. So again, what I can see is if we can get above this range, I don't know why I'm long biased today, but I am. To make me think that it's not going to look at that rip. Wow, that's not a little puke. That's a wow. That's above and beyond, sir. That's so what? When you're really uncomfortable, you take it long. I don't have the balls for that. That could reclaim up and take the whole move. Well, at least back up to 44. Here comes that push up, maybe. Fuck, this is tough, man. I'm a little bit on the fence here. I might just sit on my hands. A lot of buying there at 35, so I'm gonna want to take this apart quickly. Just take fucking profit off it. Hurry up, don't be a dummy. Take two right now. Trailing stop. 40, 75, 40. Sorry, we're at 37. What the fuck? 37 flat is our number. I'm gonna put that stop in there just in case. Stopped out. There you go. Again, should have taken more off at the tip. Damn it. Okay, so that first two lots was 300, and then our trail stop ended up with some slippage. We ended up losing 25 bucks on it. So it's a one tick loss there on the which is acceptable in this volatility. Holy shit. I guess my problem was that I thought it was going to break out to the moon, right? So again, that long biased. I don't know if you can have a biased. How about it's in the moment you have to have the biased? You can't be like, it's long, and then you're like constantly long. No, I'm long here, I'm short here. I'm long here, short here. You see what I'm like? I'm pointing at whatever, but I'm like, say I'm long here, I'm short here. I'm long, short here, long here. That's what I'm trying to say. You can't have like an overall bias. Yeah, you can, but I mean, at the end of the day, I'm gonna make fucking 20 trades here, and sitting through one of these is not the way I do. It's just not the way I do business. So, and now we're pushing up. It's really trying to transition here. Now, when we get up to that line, that's when I'd be interested in shorting it potentially. After we should get a little push through, and then we want to reclaim down. So you might say, well, why aren't you taking it now? Because you don't know if it's gonna. You don't know shit until it happens. So when it breaks, oh son of a bitch, and then damn it, we missed it. And now I've got to do fancy footwork because now it's gonna want to reclaim that. Shit, damn it, the fucking chart's stalling, man. I can't work like this if it's not gonna work. Now we're transitioning right on top of this. I feel a little panicked, but at the same time, I don't think I should. I want to get paid here a little. I'm gonna take one. I'm gonna take one there. I'm gonna trail stop now for the rest. Where are we at? 50. So we'll see how that works. We should probably think about popping off another couple here to just get so we're safe, right? And we're at 42. Oh shit, we just got stopped. Again, scalping, and you have to be fucking. You better be fucking quicker than that, bro. Yeah, you better be fucking quicker than that, bro. So the first one lot came off with a $150 profit, and the last three with the trailing stop is a $37.50 loss on the. So that's actually one tick loss. If you look at these, look at this thing, man. This is like a hard. This is hard to trade, man. It's hard to trade, but I mean we're still making progress. We have to really, again, up, down, all around, man. You could have entered anywhere along in here and still never been really. You only feel the pressure in the moment, and if you look at it in the past, you're like, we could go ahead and put one of these on it, just like from the, I guess from the open to now. And that I didn't draw that. I could move that line up to there, and it's still gonna want to pull that down. So what it's suggesting, I like to use this thing now is just well, what direction are we trending, right? And it looks like we're going. To me, it looks like we're going down. Look at that perfect center deviation bounce almost. Well, not perfect, but I mean it's impressive. Now, I am feeling a little bit in the groove today, so like I don't know if I want to just try and keep striking at this. I think we have to be more scalping and just take it off. Like there was the long taking it off, like you know what I mean? That's there you go, take it off, done. So now we're coming back to VWAP, and now we're going to actually, oops, that's probably the wrong button. There we go. I want to really know what's going on. Oh, what the hell is that? Shit. See, look at now our long bias is like, oh, I told you we were long. Fucking, right? Like, yeah, fuck. So now we're going to hit that VWAP again and see what reaction we have. If we can get a turnaround here at the VWAP, we should think about it. We should definitely think about it. Now is it going to chew and just keep going to the 25, right? Like that's where I'm going to be pissed because 25 is way up here, right? So are we, damn it. These are the moves I'm talking about, man. God damn it. So now this is what happens when it goes and like again, you don't want to get in front of this, man. This is how like yesterday, if you had been trying to fight this, you would have been fucked. And then now it's gonna make you want to feel like you're missing out. So now you're gonna want to get in, and then it's gonna pull back right when you get in, and you're gonna be like, oh shit, I did the wrong thing, and then it's gonna pull back, and then it doesn't, and it does, and it doesn't, and it does, and it doesn't. Fuck, 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 fuck. Is it gonna want to roll? Fuck. Yeah, well, like, share, subscribe, ring that notification bell. That's how you will truly get your high fives. Until the next bounce, everyone.